Look, I know you don't understand usage rights, but this is going to make it a lot easier for you to fully understand because you need to understand this if you're going to make money as a creator, okay? First thing you need to know is that there are two types of usage rights, organic and paid. Under paid, we have basically two categories. One is whitelisting, or also known as creator licensing, and then we also have just general paid usage. First, let's talk about organic usage. This is something where the brand is basically going to be using your content in-house. So it's anything that they do not have to pay for to actually reach that audience. So an example might be like them taking a video that you created, reposting it to their Instagram or their TikTok, typically with credit, but they don't have to pay to reach that audience, right? Like they already got their followers on Instagram or TikTok. They just post it, it goes out to their followers organically. As for a rate, I have literally never seen a creator ever charge for organic usage rights. But there's a huge caveat here that you need to make sure. Should be in bold. I didn't even write it here, but it should be in bold, okay? With organic usage, you don't charge for it. However, you need to have a time limit on it. Do not give away perpetual usage rights. I could literally go into a whole tangent on that. You need to have organic usage rights for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months max, okay? But no longer than that. They need to have the opportunity to renew at the end of that period, but don't ever give away usage rights forever. We don't want to be connected to anything on the internet forever without the option to pull back. And as for paid usage, there's two types of paid usage here. You've heard these terms up here, whitelisting, creator licensing, Spark ads, but the thing is, whitelisting is actually a phrase that they're phasing out, so you're going to see it mostly referred to as creator licensing in general or Spark ads specifically for TikTok. This is when a brand is creating an ad with your content that basically doesn't look like an ad, it looks like you as the creator are posting it. However, like if I saw a whitelisted ad and then clicked on your profile, it would not show the photo or video there because it's an ad. It's not like an actual post. For Spark ads, you could actually post the video to your TikTok feed and keep it there if you'd like, but it does not have to be posted to your feed in order to be used in whitelisting. Now, because this typically generates a high ROI for the brand because it doesn't look like it's the brand being like, this is the best lip gloss ever. It's like a creator being like, this is the best lip gloss ever, typically generates more money. So this is what I typically recommend charging for whitelisting or creator licensing. And if you need help understanding this equation, let me know. I'll make a whole example video for you. So then we also have just general paid usage. This is when a brand is going to pay to basically reach the audience that they want this piece of content to reach. Example might be a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad or an Instagram stories ad, and it looks like it's coming from the brand. It's a very typical classic ad, what you think of when you think of an ad. In this case, 15 to 20% of the base rate per 30-day period is industry standard rate. However, for something like a billboard, guys, like the rate should be higher. That we can discuss at another time, okay? Most important thing, ask the brand where they intend on using this content so you can know how to charge.